Hey guys, it's Alexa here, and today my friend she's gonna draw something with handcuffs on, which we got from the dollar store. All right, so what are you gonna draw?
Running girl.
Okay. Wait, you draw with your left hand?
Yep.
So you're left-handed?
Mhm.
Well, I didn't know that. So stupid. You draw with your left hand?
Yep.
How do people draw with their left hand? Because I draw with my right hand. I hate it's so weird. Okay. She's drawing a wedding girl, right?
No. It's a running girl.
Oh, a running girl. Okay. Sorry, I thought you said wedding girl. Okay, is that like a cat or something?
No.
Because it looks like one. I'm sorry, I'm making fun of your drawing. It looks like a cat. His face looks like a cat. Sorry. What are those?
Markers of speed.
No. At the bottom. Her feet?
It's the dress.
Why is she running in the dress? Shouldn't she be... Oh, is that a runway?
Yep.
So it is a wedding girl.
Well, not a runway, but you know what I mean.
Hollywood? Is she famous? Huh? Oh my gosh. What is that?
It's a running girl. How many times do I have to say that?
Look at that face. Look at the face. It's a kitty. Meow. What's that? Is that her house?
Yep, she's running to school.
In a dress?
It's picture day.
Man, oh. That's a tall house.
It's a 2-story.
Does she live oh, what the crap? Does she live in a apartment?
This is a 3-story house. She owns the whole 2nd floor. Oh wait, no, the 3rd floor is biggest. But they have an awning.
You know, the handcuffs aren't working that much, actually.
Yes, they are.
How are they working? No, because you can draw good. Maybe if you put them more tighter on, then they would work.
Okay.
Put them more tighter. No, tighter. I mean, seriously, that looks like a cat. That does not look. It's such a big nose and it's black. Oh, that sounded so wrong.
You know how there's like Shadow and Sonic and those types of people?
Okay, so she's from Sonic?
Yes.
You like Sonic? I didn't show your face. So is that a window? Man, if that is, that's one big window. Oh no, it's going out the side of the building. No. Okay, what is that? The school?
Yeah, you're gonna know soon.
Oh gosh. Are you gonna take that home?
No.
Why? I don't want that picture in my notebook. It's your picture. You drew it. Just rip it out. Are we done here?
It's my hair. It's pretty.
What? The door's locked. Crap. So that's a sign for school. What's that? Alright, I hope
Take your hands off them.
What?
Take your hands off them so it doesn't seem fake.
I can't. But anyway, so I hope you enjoyed this video of my friend.
Hey.
I hope you enjoyed this video of my friend drawing this picture of a girl running.
There will be more videos?
Yes, there will be more videos. Right?
Yes.
Okay, good. But I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe to my channel and leave a like. Bye.